Welcome to video 3 of our article series. In this video, we are going to listen to 11 different vowel sounds. Try to repeat them if you can so you can hear and feel the difference in the sounds and how they are made. We'll start with A. This sound is represented by the phonemic symbol A, and it's the sound we hear at the beginning of apple. An easy way to remember this sound is to think about somebody eating something that is too hot. Ah, 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 ah. The second vowel sound is ah, as in car. It's the same sound we hear at the beginning of artisan and article, and it can be shown by the symbol ah. An easy way to remember this sound is by thinking of someone looking at a baby or a cute animal. Ah, ah. Our third vowel is I, as in fish. It's the same sound we hear at the beginning of igloo and ink, and we can use the symbol I. It's easy to remember if you think about somebody who doesn't care very much. Eh, eh, eh. The next sound is E, like in tree. It's the sound we hear at the beginning of eel or eerie, and we can use the symbol E. You can remember it by thinking of someone who just saw a mouse. E! E! Our fifth vowel sound is as in umbrella and up, and we use the symbol to represent it. You can remember it by thinking of somebody dancing. Uh, 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 uh. Is the symbol we use to represent the sound as in book or bull. You can think of someone lifting something heavy to help you memorize it. The words certain, bird, and girl contain the vowel sound or You can think of something light like air to remember it. Er, er, er. Next vowel sound is as in elephant, egg, or expect. Think of someone who's asking a question. Uh, uh, um. The sound is also called the schwa. It is one of the most used sounds in English. You can hear it at the beginning of words like again, about, and around. To remember it, you can think about somebody who's not sure about something. Uh, is the sound we hear in clock, octopus, and old, and is represented by ah. You can think of listening to a conversation to help you remember this sound. Ah. Ah. Our last vowel sound is oo, as in you, to, and use. You can think of someone admiring something nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So to recap, that's a, ah, a, ah, I, e, E, U, U. Er, e, a, e, a, o, u, o, u. We hope this video makes the vowel sounds easier to remember. Click below for the next video in our series and remember to like and subscribe. Was this video helpful? Leave your questions and comments or visit our forum on www.EnglishLogica.com.